Hi, I'm Anthony, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Pacific Blue Ultra 4-roll cordless high-capacity toilet paper dispenser by GP Pro. Let's talk about maintenance. Keeping your toilet paper dispensers full is an important job. You don't want staff or patrons having a negative experience when using your restrooms. And I think we can all agree that having no toilet paper is about as bad as things can get. When compared to jumbo bath tissue, the Pacific Blue Ultra cordless high-capacity dispenser helps boost efficiency and reduce runouts. How? With 4 jumbo rolls in each dispenser, it provides more capacity than universal JBT solutions. That means fewer runouts and less demand on your staff's time attending to refills. High-density 24-roll cases deliver 14.75% more linear feet of toilet paper per case, while using 23% less storage space. And all Pacific Blue Ultra cordless high-capacity dispensers utilize a dependable roll advancing system for extended service. And we guarantee them for a full 10 years. And that's not just on new dispensers. We'll even cover units that are already on the wall. So if reliability, low maintenance, and space savings is important to your business, it might be time to consider upgrading from that JBT dispenser to the Pacific Blue Ultra 4-roll cordless high-capacity toilet paper dispenser from GP Pro.